See what these animals do using loops. We had to write a repeat loop for the kangaroo and for our cricket, and then we also wanted to make our bee fly in a circle when it's pressed. So let's reset it by pressing this green flag, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so we're reset, and then we can see here that with the space key, we wrote this repeat for the kangaroo. So it looks like it repeats 3 times, and let's watch it. So I'll press the space bar. Oh, whoa, okay. So he's jumping. So we'll switch the costume originally to make it look like he's crouching down, wait a little bit, turn to get some height, switch costumes again to actually get the jumping look, and then do that again, and then we'll move 100 steps forward. So it looks like he's jumping up in the air, and we'll turn him the other way to make him come back down, switch costumes, move forward 50 steps. So that's sort of the landing, and then we'll reorient him by turning back 50 degrees. So let's see that in motion. Cool. Okay, so let's move on to the grasshopper because we'll have a similar thing. So we'll restart it, and when the space key is pressed, we see it repeats 4 times. So it looks like he's probably going to do 4 hops. So we switch costumes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to just make it sort of look like he's in motion. After the first one, let's see. Oops. Okay. We turn him up 15 degrees, move forward 20 steps, switch costumes, go to the left 15 more degrees just to make it look like he's jumping higher and further. So then we'll wait a little bit, and then we'll turn him all the way back 60 degrees with that different costume on, move forward 30 steps, and then another costume change, and then sort of come back to reorient him. Let's see. Okay, there it is. And then the final costume is Grasshopper F, which is just the, looks like he's just standing still. So let's see, we have a bunch of different stuff for the bee here. So let's reset everything. And I'm not going to press the space bar this time, but I am going to click our bee. So we can see here, when this sprite is clicked, we're going to repeat 90 times. And we're moving 1 step, but we're turning 4 degrees each time. So 4 times 90 equals 360. 360 degrees is a circle. So that's why we did that. That's why we chose those numbers. It's super simple. It seems like a lot of repeats, but it makes sense in the end. And then also we have, when this sprite is clicked, we have it repeating 3 times, buzzing until it's over. I think that is just about it. It's actually kind of tricky to reorient these sprites and turn them the right amount of degrees to make them not jump off the page. I think that was the most difficult thing that I ran into with this.